Good evening, friends. So, in today's session, we will learn what is the major difference between citizenship and nationality. These are the two terms that are often used and they are considered to be synonyms of each other. However, there exists difference between the two. So, let us try to understand what is the difference between these two terms. So, let us begin. Citizenship. Part 2 of the Constitution of India from Article 5 to 11 deals with the citizenship of India. So, in our Constitution, it is clearly mentioned that from Article 5 to 11, it mentions about and it deals with the citizenship of India. So, there are 5 ways to acquire citizenship of India, like through birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and by acquiring the territory. So, these are the 5 ways through which the citizenship of India can be obtained. So, here citizenship is granted to an individual by the government of the country when the person complies with the legal formalities. For example, passport. So, what does passport indicate? That you are citizen of so and so country, right? For example, if you have passport and if you belong to India and if you have passport of India, then that indicates that you are citizen of India. So, citizenship is generally granted to an individual by the government of the country. So, citizen is conferred with civil and political rights. It means whoever becomes a citizen of a particular country, then that citizen will be having civil and political rights. Political rights like right to vote. So, when you become citizen, you will be having rights. You also need to perform fundamental duties. So, these are all will be conferred on that particular citizen. We will understand this concept of citizen and nationality through examples. For example, Adnan Sami, he is the person who was born in Pakistan. So, here the nationality of this person is Pakistan. It means, so here nationality means what? Whoever takes birth in one particular country, then that he belongs to that country. So, that is called nationality. Here this person born in Pakistan, that's the reason why his nationality is Pakistan. But he obtained Indian citizenship. Though he was born in Pakistan, he obtained the citizenship of India. Hence, that is the reason why Adnan Sami he became the citizen of India. So, once he becomes the citizen of India, he need to pay taxes, he need to perform fundamental duties like respecting national anthem, our national flag, and he will also be conferred with political rights. Few more examples like Akshay Kumar. He was born in India. So, that's the reason why his nationality became India. So, nationality represents the birthplace of that particular person. But he obtained citizenship of Canada. That's the reason why he became Canadian citizen. And yeah, astronaut Sunita Williams. She belongs to India, so her nationality became Indian. But she is American citizenship. It means she obtained the citizenship of America. That's the reason why she became American citizen. So, I hope through this example you understood the major difference between citizenship and nationality. So, nationality means whoever took birth in that particular country, then that nationality will be, for example, you are born in India. So, your nationality becomes India. So, I hope you understood the difference. Now, let us try to make the concepts more clear. So, the differences. Nationality represents the place or country where an individual has taken birth, while in citizenship, an individual is registered as a citizen by the government of the country. So, I hope this point is very clear. Nationality shows a person's relationship with a state. So, nationality indicates your relationship with that state. On the other hand, citizenship is a political status which states that a person is recognized as a citizen of the country. Concept of nationality is ethical or racial, while the concept of citizenship it's legal in nature. See, we have the concept of citizenship in the constitution, but whereas do you have the concept of nationality in our citizenship? No, right? So, concept of nationality is ethical, but whereas citizenship is legal in nature. Nationality can be obtained by birth and inheritance, but whereas citizenship, it can be obtained by birth, inheritance, naturalization, marriage, registration, and many other ways. Nationality, it cannot be changed, while citizenship can be changed. It means once you are, for example, once you are born in India, it means it cannot be changed, right? Once you are born in India, then your nationality becomes India. But whereas citizenship, it can be changed. If you want to obtain the citizenship of other country, then you can change your citizenship. So a person can be national of only one country, but a person can be citizen of more than one country. So here it means if you are born in one particular country, then that nationality will not change, because a person can be national of only one country, right? You can born only in one country, but whereas a person can be citizen of more than one country. But in India, generally citizenship, a person is given only a single citizenship. It means if you want to obtain citizenship of other country, then you have to give up citizenship of India. Then only you will be allowed to obtain citizenship of other country. Nationality cannot be reversed, while the citizenship, it can be reversed. So again the same meaning. So I hope the concept is very clear. What is the difference between nationality and citizenship? So the conclusion is, nationality means it is through birth, whereas citizenship means it confers a political status on that person, and that person will be recognized by the government. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much.